Hello, YouTubers. Thank you for watching the Roadtrek channel. My name is Roadtrek Ralph, and this is a brand new series of videos I'm putting out on the Roadtrek Rescue. This is episode number 1, so I'm just going to go straight into it. Last week, I was driving to Colorado Springs to go visit my son. He's in the Space Force. Good job, Nehemiah. And I passed through a little town in Texas called Dalehart, Texas. And I saw Roadtrek there, and I pulled over and to inquire if it was for sale. It looked like it had just been parked there, abandoned actually. And I had seen this before because I've driven to Colorado before and I'd seen it in the past. But this time around, there was actually somebody there at the house. And got to talking, and it kind of just sparked my interest again. You know, they do call me Roadtrek Ralph. I've had 2 other Roadtreks in the past, but they were on Dodge chassis. And I swore to myself, I just said, I'm never getting a Roadtrek again unless it's on a Chevrolet chassis. Well, the Roadtrek I saw in Dalehart, Texas was on a Dodge chassis. Anyway, I only mentioned this because that's what sparked my interest again. So when we got to Colorado Springs, I said, I'm going to look on Facebook. I'm going to look on Facebook Marketplace. And lo and behold, you won't believe what I found. So anyway, I found the Roadtrek in Wimberly, Texas. It's a Versatile, 1995 Versatile Roadtrek 190. And I'm just going to go straight into the videos. Again, I don't know much about editing. I don't know much about, I don't monetize this channel. This is all just what I do. But this is going to be a series. This episode 1 will be on how I got the Roadtrek, how it came to be, and delivering it to my where I'm going to work on it. And I hope you enjoy the video. This is just going to be little nips or cuts of videos because, again, I'm just learning how to narrate, learning all this stuff. So hope you enjoy the video. Episode 1. All right, hello, YouTubers. You'll never guess what I found for sale. Pretty cheap. It's a Roadtrek. Check it out, man. This thing is deep in the woods. Way out here in Wimberly, Texas. Wimberly, Texas. Here it is right here. It's going to be a fixer-upper, of course. But check it out. It's a Roadtrek. Oh, my goodness. What happened to this side? Yeah, this is a fixer-upper, of course. All right, stay tuned on Roadtrek Ralph's channel as I really dive deep into this thing here. Look at that.
To do.
Yeah. Check out those daddy long legs. Man, there's got to be 100 of them. Look at that. Cool. Yeah. All right, hello, YouTubers. This is Roadtrek Ralph. So this is the road that the Roadtrek was on. This is out here in Wimberly, Texas. So I had to pull the Roadtrek with my truck. As you can see, there's no way a Roadtrek on top of a tow truck would have been all right. So there's the Roadtrek right there. I pulled it with my trusty old square body. So we're gonna take it home. We're taking this Roadtrek home. I'm gonna get started on it. It's my new Roadtrek project. Thank you for watching. All right, here's the Roadtrek being backed into to my property here in San Antonio. So I just bought it today, and they're delivering it right now. There she is. Roadtrek 190 Versatile. Needs a lot of work. It's a fixer-upper for sure. That is a fixer-upper. No telling how much work it's going to take to get her on the road. But we're going to do it.